This is Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So I'm going to walk you through how to make these adorable candy holders. They are so cute and so easy to make. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll leave you the link below in the descriptions on where I got these SVG files, so you can grab yours as well. And they're freebies, so you can't beat that. And let's go ahead and get started. Once you go ahead and you upload the SVG file, you'll see that there are 6 ones that you can do. And let's go ahead and hit ungroup. And the ones that I'm going to do are, let's go ahead and delete this. I'm going to do the ones with the heart. Found something really cute that you can get at Dollar Tree to go along with this. And I can't think of it at the top of my head what it's called, but I'll go ahead and I'll show you. Let's go ahead and delete this one as well. And let's get started. Okay, so now we're just going to go ahead and click on Make It. And I am going to do all of these on cardstock. And there's no scoring involved, so it's just the regular tool. And I'm going to use medium cardstock. And I'm going to change the pressure to more, which everyone's different, but that seems to work for me. And I'm going to go ahead and load the mat, and we're going to go ahead and